Okay, so upon my assessment, here's what's going on. This pipe right here has been drilled because clearly they've redone the plumbing. They probably had stopped up clay terracotta piping going to the road. You can see they changed the iron piping right there, and right here's more of it. So in the process of doing that, it was still getting stopped up. They came in here and put a relief hole to stop the sink from draining to the sewage. So this is officially, that's been drilled out. That was officially running out the sink water under this house, which has caused rotting issues in these rafters, which are all rotting out. And this support has been put in after the fact because this is rotting. So the support right here, right in front of us, has been added because of rotting issues. All these rafters under here are rotten. You got black mold spores everywhere, which cause somebody to get sick. And this is a lake. It's leaking. I mean, this thing is actively leaking terribly. This man's been notified of it. They put in a support here. This has been added after the fact because of due to water and rot issues under here, obviously. This is crazy. Plumbing has been done here. Here's evidence of that. New piping. Oh, look, right there. Look at this. And this is how he did this. This pipe is drilled out, and that one runs right into that. That's the sinkage. That's sewage draining out right there all over the ground. That's shit all over that pipe right there. That is unacceptable. This is so against the law. What's going on here? No, somebody's got to do something about this. This is not right. This is disgusting and unhealthy and unsafe. This is absurd. I cannot believe this is going on like this. Nope. Hell no.